Hi, my name's Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. Today is my first day of internship, so we're going to keep this simple, quick, and muted. I gotta get out of here. Watch me end up doing something elaborate. We can't be doing this. I think I'm going to stick with my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette today. I'm going to start with my dollar store brush and go into Peaches and Cream as a setting shade. Ugh, smells so good. I love this palette. This was actually my first real high-end purchase. I had bought a couple eyeliners and stuff, well, the Sephora kind, so I don't know how high-end you really consider that, but this was my first big high-end purchase. Next I'm going to take my fluffy brush from Wish and go into Charmed, I'm Sure. So this is a cooler toned brown. Most of the browns in here are warm toned, but I like cooler tones better, and B, my pants are black. If they were brown, I would probably go with the warm brown, but since they're black, I'm going to play with the cool tones. Still gotta have everything matching. Next I'm going in with my Beige Cosmetics brush with a 3 on it, same color, just going to intensify it some more in the crease. So this shade is doubling as both my transition shade and my crease shade, or one of my crease shades. I would like to put another shade in there, we'll see. Next I'm going in with my Ivy White crease brush and I'm going into Talk Derby to Me. So it looks like it's going to be a glittery shade. It's not. It's essentially a matte black, which I'm sad about, but it'll work in this situation. See, I was aiming more for that, but since I got a little carried away, now we gotta make them even. I'm going to use my Beige Cosmetics brush with a 3 on it again and just hit it with Charmed, I'm Sure, once more, just to make sure it's a little more blended. I feel like this is a 5-minute makeup challenge or something. Okay, next, the best part, because there's color. I'm going in with Bless Her Heart, which is a muted green, matches my shirt, of course. And I'm gonna go on the inner 2/3. Look at that, I can do muted looks. Then I'm going in with Tempting, which it's kind of like a cross between a shimmery black and a dark green. I would say more shimmery black. Putting this on the outer corner, outer third, and blending it together a bit. Let's try and do this lower lash line quickly with my Beige Cosmetics brush with a 5 on it, without poking my eyes out, please. So I'm going in with Bless Her Heart, the green again. And this is nothing new here. Just mimicking what I've done on the lid. So that's just my style. And I'm going in with Tempting. On the outer portion, I'm going to try and go a little bit lightly, just because I really don't like black. And to finish off, I'm going to use my dollar store brush and go into White Peach as my highlight. Okay, so that wasn't as painful as I thought it was going to be. It's actually a nice little change for now. That's it for today. I hope you have a good day no matter what it is you're doing. Bye. See you next time.